Adjectives 101. Exploring the positive degree. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we are going to talk about a fascinating aspect of the English language, adjectives, and specifically, we are diving into the positive degree of adjectives. The positive degree is an integral part of understanding how we describe things, people, and situations in English. Before we move into the depths of the positive degree, let's take a brief moment to revisit what an adjective is. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. It helps you paint a clearer picture of the noun or pronoun by providing extra detail or information. For example, in the sentence, "The sky is blue," blue is the adjective as it describes the color of the noun, sky. Now, let's jump into our main topic of discussion, the positive degree of adjectives. The positive degree is the simplest form of an adjective. It doesn't involve any comparison. The positive degree is just the adjective in its base form, used to describe something without comparing it to anything else. For instance, in the sentence, "John is tall," tall is an adjective in the positive degree. Here we are not comparing John's height to anyone else's. We are just stating a fact about John. The positive degree of an adjective is used in sentences where we don't want to compare, but we just want to describe or define the noun or pronoun. For instance, Emma is intelligent. The cake is delicious. It's a beautiful day. In all these examples, we are merely stating a quality or characteristic of the subject, without making any comparisons. And there you have it, an introduction to the positive degree of adjectives. By understanding and using the positive degree, we can describe things as they are, without comparing them to anything else. Remember, the English language is a treasure trove of descriptive possibilities, and adjectives in their positive degree are some of the essential tools you need. We hope this video helps you on your English learning journey. Happy learning and see you in our next video where we'll delve into the comparative and superlative degrees.